It's just come to me. All this time, I've been tugging on my stick too hard.
Oh.
Power loops. Why, what did you think?
I see. Addict.
Still over here. Just turned on. Not doing anything.
I know you turned on, Joshua.
Turned on.
Yeah, if you're turned on that much, do something about it, alright? There's pills you can take. Well, it's an absolutely beautiful morning here in Britain. It's no wind, oh wow, a little breeze, the sun's out, everyone's out on their bikes, and it's a beautiful day. So, we got a montage today of this little fella and this, and this one. Let's see which one does the best.
You not giving 120. You giving 70. You giving 60. You giving 50. And you want what these people who've given sweat, who's giving blood, who's giving tears, you want what they paid for, and it ain't free.